In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appeal and remove a contract violation in the Dasher app. If you've ever opened your account and seen a contract violation you believe isn't fair, don't panic. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, how to present your side clearly, and how long it may take for the issue to resolve. Start by opening the Dasher app and navigating to the Ratings tab. This is where you'll see your customer ratings, completion rate, and a section dedicated to contract violations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area so you know where appeals happen and where results will show up. Locating the violation here is important because this is the entry point for submitting your appeal and uploading any evidence you want the team to review. Find the specific violation you want removed and tap into it to view the details. Look at the time, date, and any notes attached to it. Think back to that delivery. Was there a long restaurant wait? Did the GPS route or traffic cause delays? Did you communicate with the customer or the store about the issue? This is the context you'll lean on when you submit your appeal. The more clearly you can match your memory and supporting materials to the event, the stronger your case will be. File an appeal right away. In the violation details, you'll see the option to appeal and provide evidence. Submit your proof promptly and make sure it's easy to understand. Photos that show pickup or drop-off conditions, a screenshot of the store's delay, or GPS data that reflects your route and timestamps can be very persuasive. If the restaurant was backed up, explain how long you waited and include any relevant time markers from your app history. Keep your explanation calm, factual, and concise. Label attachments with short descriptions and focus on what directly supports your claim. Clear documentation submitted quickly increases the likelihood of removal. After you appeal, the review team will evaluate your evidence. If they accept it, the violation will be removed and you'll see the change reflected in the ratings tab. If the appeal isn't accepted, don't get discouraged. Violations typically disappear after you complete 100 new deliveries. In the meantime, focus on consistent, on-time deliveries and keep location services enabled so future GPS data is accurate. To recap, open the app, head to ratings, select the violation, appeal immediately with clear evidence, and then watch for the result or keep delivering until it drops off. You've got this.